Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the scene and decisions that shape everything. Create a canvas, event system, and a panel now. Assign 9 so layouts behave predictably. Once done, decide how to persist settings, scriptable object for editor-friendly data, or player prefs for quick player storage. Make placeholder UI elements, toggles for booleans, sliders for ranges, drop-downs for options. Then wire simple labels and anchors so controls scale. This prevents layout surprises later. Now you bind UI to code so changes actually persist and apply. Write a settings manager script and expose public fields for toggles, sliders, and drop-downs. Drag references in the inspector. Subscribe to on-value changed events so every change updates your model and calls apply methods. This gives instant feedback. Make sliders normalize to 0, 1 and remap to real ranges like volume 0, 100. Finally, choose consistent keys and save using player prefs, or finish by applying and persisting settings across sessions so players see their choices. Implement apply settings to update audio mixer volumes, quality settings, and input mappings, and call it after loading or a change. Save using player prefs. Save, or write a JSON file for complex data. Load at startup and clamp values into valid ranges. If things go wrong, check null references, confirm events are subscribed only once, and verify remapping math. These checks catch most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.